So this is at the USF Research Park.
Research and Innovation Center.
Yeah.
And this is open, so we're finally in here. It's quiet. Well, like.
Yeah, except for the fan.
Yeah.
The mower is quiet. The fan is like all you can hear, except for like the buzz.
Yeah. That button.
Yep.
I like Aurora fixtures.
Yep. ThyssenKrupp Aurora.
Yep. I found a little vibration. This might be a little oil.
Yeah, it might be.
USF can't help themselves.
Yeah, there's a bunch of low on oil elevators here. Interestingly enough, the chime didn't ring.
Yeah.
So there are your fixtures. Again, ThyssenKrupp Aurora.
ThyssenKrupps are always eager to chime, so that's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
Good job on inspecting this thing.
I believe this was installed in like 2005.
That's a good guess, because Auroras, they don't really get made up much anymore, so.
Yeah, I think they discontinued them like around 2008, 2009 or so.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want to ride the air one? Actually, I think they're on the same controller.
Yeah, they're the same.
Yeah. So I'll just send this one up.
Yeah, send it up to the top.
Yeah, it's going up the 4.
Oh, and this one's going down, so.
Yeah, it's coming down.
It might just pop up.
So again, it's like there's 2 separate call stations. It looks like they're on 2 separate controllers from the outside, but they're actually the same. There we're going 4.
It's like those buttons, 6 and.
Huh.
This one's probably a little worse.
Gotta love those buttons.
Yeah. Too much satisfaction. And bruh, it over-leveled.
Oh yeah. It did over-level.
It over-leveled.
Yeah.
I've seen way too much elevators that have under-leveled and over-leveled by this point now.
Yeah, that's pretty common from what I can see.
Not every elevator is maintained well.
Yeah.
Especially the most pedestrian ledge.
Oh yeah, those ones. One of them doesn't even work. The other one's filled with trash. Those are wonderful. All
Where
right.
goes now? Okay, there it goes, and that'll be it.
That's it.